Hello kids! Welcome back to XoraTales. Today we're going to learn numbers 16 to 20. Are you ready? Let's go! This is number 16. Say it with me, 16. 16 stars. 16 candies. 16 hearts. Let's repeat it again. 16 stars. 16 candies. 16 hearts. This is number 17. Say it with me, 17. 17 balls. 17 clouds. 17 leaves. Let's repeat it again. 17 balls. 17 clouds. 17 leaves. This is number 18. Say it with me, 18. 18 apples. 18 butterflies. 18 flowers. Let's repeat it again. 18 apples. 18 butterflies. 18 flowers. This is number 19. Say it with me, 19. 19 stars. 19 birds. 19 cars. Let's repeat it again. 19 stars. 19 birds. 19 cars. This is number 20. Say it with me, 20. 20 balloons. 20 books. 20 fish. Let's repeat it again. 20 balloons. 20 books. 20 fish. Number test time. Ready for a fun test? Little learners, let's see what you remember. What number is this? Yes, it's 18. What number is this? Great, it's 20. What number is this? Yes, it's 16. What number is this? Amazing, it's 19. What number is this? Wow, it's 17. How many stars are these? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Correct, 16 stars. How many flowers are these? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Amazing, 20 flowers. Great job, kids. You did amazing, little learners. See you soon with the next fun learning video on XoraTales. Bye-bye.